Hello, it's me, Elu. I forgot my name. I don't know what I should do in this video. I just started um, maybe I should do a prank on all those kids out there who don't donate. They'll feel bad one day, okay? They'll feel bad that they didn't donate to me. So, shout out to Silly Sophia. She's building a big family house that has taken her a lot of time. So, yeah. This is my voice, by the way. Voice reveal. Hi. Voice reveal is real right now, guys. So, well, 2 of you. Thank you for subbing. In the future, it'll probably be 5. 5! I'll celebrate for 5, okay? I'll make a group one day because I have Builders Club. I'll make a group for 100 Robux and then it'll be called Lulu's Lose. Oh my god, that noise. Right, yeah. Hello? Hello? This girl isn't answering. She is rude. I'm leaving. But nice house. I really like this house. And my skateboard is wrecked. Wow. There we go. Okay. So, we're gonna go find a house. And we'll see who donates. Let's keep waiting. This girl, no, doesn't look like she's in. She has a big back item, by the way, though. Hi. Hello? Can you donate, please? Please? Don't ignore me, please. Excuse me? Excuse me? Hello? Can you? Oh. Okay, she's one of those people that just walk away. Walk away. Wow. I feel so happy to be in the same server as you. Okay, right. Back to business. Oh, big houses over here. People are rich in this server. Let me just go over here. Hello? Oh my god. Hi. Can you donate? Please? Yay. Oh my god, this girl's so nice. Oh, her house is snazzy though. Where's the roof? She gives me one. I swear that is the rudest thing. Did she? OMG. Thanks. So, yeah. There's going to be longer videos. This is 3 minutes. So, yeah, there's going to be longer videos, but like this one is pretty late at night, 20. Oh, you think like I go to bed early? I honestly don't. This person's house is quite empty, so this house is gigantic. Whoa, let me in. So maybe like video ideas, glitching into people's houses. Yes, that is what I'll do. And like, yeah, future videos. I hope you you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later, my lose.